I have consistently dyed my locks for years to cover my grays, so it's time for a detox. Hi, my name is Nafisa and welcome to my channel. Now, I should have known that gel was gonna mess my hair up. I've had my locks for over 9 years. I have no excuses, but I was being lazy. My husband's family came into town, didn't have time to do my hair, so I decided to use gel, regular clear gel that I had from my probably years ago. It's just been sitting in my room, but I tried to do a slick back ponytail, and now I have buildup and white spots all over my locks. So today we're gonna do a lock detox. I haven't done one in about, I wanna say about a year or two, which is really gross. I know. I should have done one a long time ago. But I'm gonna start with the baking soda first. Let it soak, then apple cider vinegar and lemon after. Because if you put them together, they just cancel each other out. I don't know why people put them together. Because acid and alkaline, I think, cancels each other out. So we're going to do them separately and show you the whole process. So let's go. It's much needed.
Ow! Why is there clumps? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Ow. What? Those are heavy. I was like, how much water is in this thing?
What made you get locks in the first place?
I cut off all of my hair as soon as I went to college, like when I was 18. Because one, I was permed my entire life. Well, not my entire life. Like when I was old enough to get a perm, I think I was like 12. So I didn't know how to take care of my hair. I always went to the hair salon every 2 weeks. Got a perm every 6 weeks. So when I got to college, it just went downhill. like my hair was so messed up. I didn't have anyone to do it. I didn't get braids. I didn't know how to braid. I started getting on YouTube, trying to figure out what to do with my hair. And that's when 2009 is when everybody started getting, it's not everybody, but 2009 is when I was introduced to natural hair. And they were like, oh, it's so low maintenance. It's what your hair's supposed to look like. And then I cut. It was New Year's Eve of 2009. And I cut down all my hair like I had that much hair. Because I hadn't had a perm since July to December. So I had a little bit of new growth where my perm grew out. So I just chopped it off. And my mama didn't talk to me for a month. Because I posted it to, I think it was Instagram or Facebook or something, and one of her friends told my mom, because I didn't tell my mom I cut my hair. She found out from her, she stopped her, she was like, oh my god, they cut off all of her hair. Because I've always had long hair.
Yeah.
The only time I've ever had short hair is I got a bob in my junior year or something like that. Mm-hmm. But I've had long hair my whole life. So when my mom said, do you know how much time, energy, and money I put into your hair and you're gonna cut it off? My mom was so pissed off at me. And my mom never, the whole natural thing, she wasn't with. She always hated how my hair looked. She always made fun of me. But when I got locks, she was like when they actually started to grow and look decent, she was like, oh, that's a cute look for you. And would send me little hairstyles and stuff. So yeah, basically I got them because I didn't know how to take care of my hair. And
But how long before she asked?
oh, I didn't even get into that. So no, that's why I went natural. I didn't get locks until 2015. So I had natural hair from 2009 to 2015. And I had tried to get locks several times, but I always ended up taking them out. Because the ugly stage was ugly.
Did you get it in 2015? Did you know I was coming to America?
No. I kept the last set because I have tried locks 6 times before and I always end up taking them out. Shout out to Kendra. But that's the one time I paid for like someone to start comb coils on me. And being that one, I had no hair and I have a lot of hair. She charged me, and she was the only natural hairstylist within a very country city. Like the only natural hairstylist. So she charged me $450. And it took her 2 days for comb coils. Like it would take your sister like 20 or 30 minutes to do that. Why it took her 2 days? I don't know.
She probably just got how much.
I don't know. But they were so small. Like I started off with like almost 300 locks. Like I think it was like the upper 200s maybe.
Gotcha.
So they were really small. Like they were all and with my hair being natural, like obviously they haven't blended yet. They look tiny on me, like almost sister locks.
Oh.
So yeah. I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna spend $500 on my hair, I'm keeping these in forever. I don't believe in wasting money. Like when Kendra did them for free, oh yeah, I'll call them out. Whatever. They were free.
That was an investment for you, huh?
Yeah. And they were exactly what I wanted. Like when I had locks before, they were what are they called? Bricklayer pattern, like the square boxes.
Yeah.
I didn't want that. I wanted free parting or C parting because I like to have like full looking hair. I don't want you to see my scalp. That's weird.
Well,
It looks good on some people, but being that I have such a big head, I feel like that looks
your
good.
scalp is very light colored.
Because I don't get sun. $500 and 9 years later.
Sure, still got it.
Still got it. And I'm not cutting them off either.
That's good.
I might cut them shorter.
You gotta trim them down.
Yeah, trim them, but I'm not cutting them all myself. I refuse. Because when I was natural, I was just when I was natural, I wore a lot of half wigs. I really had like my real natural hair out like that.
Right.
And when I did, I had a puff. Every 2 strand like twist out or some hairstyle that I tried, it failed. Locks has been the only thing that was decent on my head. So.
At least you
And I would never come.
At least you found it in a good time in your life.
Actually, I found them right before it was the worst time of my life. That's why I debated like cutting at least a little bit.
Yeah.
Because hair does carry a lot of energy. And I was like, do I really want to carry all of the BS that I was going through at that time? Like, I had a very traumatic experience and then I locked my hair right after. I was like, ew, bad job.
But you're soaking it now, so once you soak it, it kind of like releases all that energy.
But like, yeah, my hair has been with me through the worst times of my life, but the best times of my life. Like, my hair is a part of my identity.
True.
Oh, this feels good though. It's been 20 minutes of the first soap, so now it's time to check to see how dirty the water is. I'm exposing myself right now. Does it look bad, babe?
Yes.
Ooh, not you clocking me.
You guys.
Trying to use this route. Getting forward. Oh, my hair is heavy. Oh, that's hair dye.
It's only an excuse to me.
It is hair dye. It's black.
Okay.
If it was dirty, it'd be murky.
Marky.
It's hair dye.
Yeah.